Hey all you direct sellers out there, I want to make a quick video giving you some quick hit Facebook tips for direct sales. First up, you need to create engaging posts that aren't just sales pitches. Constantly see people slamming sales pitches down my throat and their whole friends list throat on Facebook, and it's boring, and not only that, it's annoying when that's all you post, and you're going to get ignored and maybe unfriended. Next point is use videos in your posts when you can to draw attention. Video, you're on YouTube right now, so you know the power of video. It's just more exciting, entertaining, attention-grabbing than just a regular text post. So when you can, use videos in your posts. You need to vary your types of posts too. Like I said in the first point, I constantly see people slamming sales pitches right after left down their Facebook feed, and that's all they're posting. So you need to change it up. Give your friends list a reason to be looking forward to your posts and not to ignore them. If you post the same thing all the time, they're just going to assume that's what your next post is about. They're going to scroll right by you. Next up is build relationships with your audience. This is what direct sales is all about. The reason that you post stuff on Facebook is to get engagement. And then when you get that engagement, that's when you can start that conversation that leads to a relationship, that leads to sales or a new team member. And the last point is offer value and entertainment instead of only pitching your products. So there are ways that you can make a sales pitch without it seeming like a sales pitch, without the person even knowing that it's a sales pitch. So when you offer value and entertainment, when your post is still somehow related to your product, that's still getting it in their head without it seeming like a sales pitch. So offer value and entertainment whenever you can in your posts instead of just simply being, a banner advertisement basically for your products and such. Thanks for listening. Grab the free ebook from the link below. This video is just a small section of that ebook. I go over a lot more do's and don'ts in that ebook. It's completely free. Just hit that link below. Also subscribe to this channel for more direct sales videos coming up. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you.